In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to create a custom URI scheme on Windows. Now we're going to start off a quick example. If you don't know what it is, basically in certain websites, if you press a button and you have their software installed, it can launch its own software from the website just by pressing a button and sometimes pass down certain data to it. But let's do it. So I've got it set up to do that. And you notice it's kind of similar to an HTTPS or an HTTP. It's because it is, because those are both URI schemes. But Windows lets us create our own custom one, so I've called ours VLTech, and you do colon slash slash. And let's see if I wanted to put commands here, I could, or any extra kind of data. So let's say if my app took in authentication, I could take that information in through the start args. But doesn't matter. I've hooked it up to Notepad, so you can see when you enter that, you get a pop-up from Chrome, IE, or whatever you're using. It asks, do you want to open this application? I'm going to say yes. It gets mad at me because I didn't provide it the right data. But there you go. It opens up Notepad. Now let's just jump into how this actually works. So what you need to do, and this is for development, to create this on a client's computer, you would use your installer to create this information. But you open up regedit, or the registry editor. I do it in HKey classes root. You right click on it, new key, and this name right here, VLTech, that is whatever you want your command in the browser to be. So yeah, it's whatever you want it to be. So I think Zoom uses Zoom US or something along the lines of that. Then what you add in here, once you've created that, you right click inside, new string value, you add the word URL protocol with nothing on it. And then you can right click on VLTech or your name. You do new key, shell, you don't need to add anything, open, don't need to add anything, and then finally command, and this is where the fun part happens. So your structure should look like this so far. Your URI scheme name, shell, open, command, and you leave this as default. You right click, modify, and what you do is you point it where your executable batch script, whatever code you want to run, you need to point it at that. For me, I just did Notepad, but in theory, you'd be in like program files or something along the lines of that. You add it in double quotes, and then you hit spacebar, add another double quotes, and do a %1. And that's all it takes for regedit. It's a pretty simple thing. You can do all kinds of good stuff with this. So, you could add this feature to your website where you can launch your app, have the user can launch their app from the website, and maybe it'll include some kind of special information that you need to pass down to them. Meaning you could take almost all the authentication entirely off your thick client if you really wanted to. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.